Hi guys, Cully and Sully here obviously. So we've just finished our GROW to CEO final.
This is our 5th year of working with Grow It Yourself. And this year really the campaign was all about getting kids to be involved, to think about their food, to make soup and to think about the business of food.
Hi, I'm Roz and this is Mick, and today we were on the judging panel for GROW to CEO. I have to say, I was blown away.
This year, nearly half of all secondary schools in Ireland took part in this campaign, and we've been looking for more people, more students I suppose, to be inspired to get involved in food in all its aspects, food growing, the cooking of it, and obviously the food entrepreneurship, and we've seen that in absolute spades today.
We've had schools along here with us today from all 4 corners of the country presenting their soups that they made. Some of them grew the ingredients themselves, they foraged for the ingredients like wild garlic, and they came up with different business ideas.
Some of these brands were like the soup brands that the students came up with were almost like shelf ready, like they were just absolutely amazing.
The packaging, the labelling, everything, I couldn't believe it.
The confidence from all the teams was extraordinary. I mean, they were first years presenting like they were 30-year-old experienced business people. But every single team presented so well, such innovation. They thought about things like the environment, local ingredients, medicine, eating, everybody was kind of, thinking in such a correct way about food and about how you should eat.
First of all, a big clap to all of you for getting down here and not only sticking it out to the end, but actually getting here as well.
See that so many other schools did not make it. Loads of people didn't even get as far to enter a project because they didn't have the dedication, whereas you all shown that you really do. Our winners for this year's GROW to CEO is Coláiste Ghobnait.